Hello everyone, this is Rajiv Sanaki, Department of Civil Engineering, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. So in today's lecture, we'll be covering three portions of Unit 5, that is lecture number 44, 45 and 46. So this completes Unit 5. So the contents in these lectures are types of plaster finishes, method of pointing and types of pointing, methods of painting, distempering and varnishing on different surfaces. So first coming to types of plaster finishes, because definition of plastering we have studied it in the previous lecture. So the types of plaster finishes are, first one is smooth. So here you can see the smooth surface is provided. Next one is sand faced. So after applying the plaster, sand pebbles are applied on the plaster. Third one is rough cast. Fourth one is pebble dash. Next, coming to method of pointing. So what is pointing? So pointing, it's a process of finishing the mortar joints in exposed brick or stone masonry with suitable cement or lime mortar in order to protect the joints from weather effects and also to improve the appearance of building structure. So here in this image you can see the mortar joints are uneven, where thick amount of mortar has come out. It also looks ugly, as well as it will be affected by atmospheric agencies. So here you can see the process of pointing is done, where the whatever extra mortar which is there outside, it is raked and removed out, and pointing is done, that is fresh mortar is applied to the joints and it is finished properly. Method of pointing, how it is done: first is raking out at least 20 mm, as I said, removal of dust by brushes, surface is washed with water and kept wet. Now again mortar is placed to the desired shape in the joints, finishing surface, and it is watered for period of at least 3 days. So types of pointing. So there are different types of pointing: flush pointing, recessed pointing, bedded pointing, struck pointing, rubbed, keyed or grooved pointing, tuck pointing, V pointing, weathered pointing. So you can directly understand all these types of pointings in this image. So here you can see how weathered pointing is done: inclined towards upwards, struck pointing inclined towards downwards, flush pointing straight, grooved, V grooved pointing, V shape is given, key pointing, a bucket type shape is drawn, recessed pointing, there is a gap between two masonry bricks, tuck pointing, where a filler is added, and bedded pointing. Next, coming to painting. So painting, it's a process of applying fluids to the walls for appearance purpose, as well as protect the wall surfaces from atmospheric agencies. So there are different types of paintings. First one you can see here. The first type is brush painting, second one is roller painting, third one is spray paint. So the methods of painting, distempering and varnishing on different surfaces. So how it is done? Pre-painting, that is before painting, what all things are done before painting. First one is check the surface for incidence of dampness or water seepage. So if the surface of the wall is prone to dampness, the wall is checked properly. So if such things are there, scrap the dampness surface with sandpaper to ensure that the surface is dry and free from dust, dirt or grease. Next, wall surface is to be prepared using POP or wall putty. It is applied as the surface is prepared. Next, coats of primer is applied on the surface using brushes and roller. First coat is applied on the walls in W formation with roller. Second layer of paint is applied in W pattern. And before the final layer, repairs on the wall are examined, and after that the third coat is applied on the walls to make the wall look beautiful. Thank you.